This universal spice blend will make every meal more enjoyable for you. I even sprinkle it on my salads. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. You're going to need 10 different spices. These are the ingredients. Adding parsley to your meal helps your body metabolize glucose more efficiently, so you get better blood sugar control with each bite. Dry spices tremendously enhance your food's antioxidant content. Just a small pinch can double or even triple the antioxidant power of your meal. Now imagine when you add a pinch of 10 different spices. It is like an antioxidant on steroids. By the way, thyme is a fantastic healing herb. It speeds up metabolism and aids digestion. Thyme is related to mint family. It can be used as a tea for chronic urinary tract infections. Celery seeds are a great source of essential minerals like calcium and iron. Speaking of turmeric, it is fantastic to fight any kind of inflammation in your body. Instead of buying expensive turmeric supplements, just buy the spice and start cooking with it. So should you spend your money on turmeric supplements? If you opt out for turmeric supplements, you are stripping yourself of very powerful benefits. And you are overpaying. You choose to overpay for convenience. I'm talking about like $2 for turmeric spice versus $20 for a supplement. The choice is yours. Turmeric was found to be as effective as 1 hour aerobic exercise to speed up your blood flow. Oh, if you just take a curcumin or turmeric supplement, you are listening to a violin. But if you take a whole turmeric, you are listening to the entire orchestra. Here's how much spice you need to take a day. Just 1/4 teaspoon a day will do. What's up with black pepper? Black pepper activates turmeric and increases its potency. Ready? Like 2,000 times. But black pepper is not the only activator of turmeric. White pepper activates turmeric just as well. Heating or cooking activates turmeric perfectly fine. A healthy fatty oil like extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil activates turmeric too. So this way, every meal is full of flavors and your brain enjoys it more. It looks like this. As promised, a word about nutritional yeast. One of the main reasons you want to add it to your daily diet, it is because it contains the entire panel of B vitamins, well, except B12. Vitamin B panel is essential for your brain activity and boosts your energy levels. Nutritional yeast you want to buy is non-fortified version, meaning it does not have synthetic vitamins added to it. Non-fortified. From my experience, it's hard to come by a non-fortified version in a store, so therefore I recommend that you buy it online. I will attach a link in a description below this video. I bake these bazillion times and they come out perfection every single time. Next, my favorite spice blend. I have a video how to make it. This is a combination of 16 different spices. So I just eye it out, so probably like a teaspoon. Now let's add some spices to it. And I have my favorite spice blend. Just literally sprinkle on top, just a little bit like this. It should be good. I'm gonna use my favorite spice blend. I have a video how to make it. I'll leave a reference underneath. So liberally, spice, spice, spice. Just like that. Add in my favorite spice blend, about a teaspoon. Give it a quick mix. If you want to know how to turn your food into medicine, like this video and subscribe to my channel so you never miss a thing.